Hey everybody, Hot Wheeler here. We're gonna sit down and do a quick one today. I was out at Michelangelo Center in Hamilton past week and at the Collecticon and took a look through what they had over there. I didn't take any video, but it was a pretty good show. And despite all the great stuff that was there, I only picked up the Fast and Furious 5-pack. So we'll quickly open that up and do a quick review. I'm going to keep this one short and let's get right to it. So this one here features 5 cars. The Fate of the Fast and Furious, the 61 Impala, the Fast and Furious 72 Grand, 4 Gran Turismo Sport, the Fast 5 Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, the Fast and Furious 6 70 Ford Escort RS 1600, and the Fast and Furious 1970 Chevelle SS in the primer. And so we'll get that one open. We'll spin a few and get a closer look. So there we go. So we'll start at the top. Let's do the Chevy Impala. That one is pretty cool indeed, I must say. I like this one. This is a nice casting. So, you know, obviously very simple and plain. Obviously right towards the front with the larger wheel in the back. No tampos on the front and back, but I don't think it needs it. You got the chrome down the side of the car, which is very natural for this. And then the next one is your Ford Gran Turismo. Obviously done in the green. Again, no tampos front and back, but it's got the stripe on the sides, right towards the front. Plastic base, chrome interior. Maybe it would have been better if they'd done a black interior, but I can see, you know, obviously it's all part of the base. And then the next one, oh, he's gonna go for a ride. Wants to race. So there we are with the Grand Sport Corvette. Again, really cool. This one does have the tampo on the back. You can see the Corvette logo on the front hood. Aside from that, pretty simple and straightforward. Nice looking car. We'll let that spin for a second. And then the next one. Oh, it's gonna go for a run too. Okay, we're gonna have to spin them out. So the Ford Escort RS. Again, done with the gold wheel. No tampos on the front or back, but nonetheless still very cool. And then last but not least, the 1970 Chevelle SS in the primer. I'm still on the hunt for some of the new series in the premium Hot Wheels Car Culture series, Fast and Furious. So we'll track those down and we'll get those ones out and displayed. I know somebody, there's other YouTubers out there who've got that done already. And then I happen to be rummaging through some of my cars and came across this one. So that's an old one. So this one is a Fast and Furious carded 1970 Dodge Charger RT. The motor sticking out the front. And we want to open up that. Let's put that one on the table because that is really cool. Always hesitant to open up these cars, but you know what? Can't keep them in packages forever. So this one is plastic base, chrome grille, chrome interior, engine out of the top. Then it's got the RT logo on the side. I'd say that's pretty cool. So that's Dom's Charger. And so that's it. So we'll let that spin out. And thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Take care. Bye for now.